Hello, my dear students. My name is Sachin Jadhav, founder Fundamental Pharmacy, author of Fundamentals of GPAT 9 DI Pharmacy Volume 1, GPAT Crack Karachi or MCQ book, and few other books. Welcomes you in this YouTube video session. My dear students, if you are new on our channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any new video from my side. My dear students, if you are preparing for GPAT, NIPER, Drug Inspector Government Pharmacist exam, then this video is going to be very useful, knowledge oriented for you. So it's my request to you, please watch this video until end. My dear students, in this video we are going to see knowledge booster part 7. We have already completed knowledge booster doses part 6. So if anybody has not seen those videos, they can go and watch these videos on our YouTube channel. My dear students, in this session we are going to see knowledge booster dose part 7. That is nothing but a few very important points from physical pharmacy. That is a physical pharmacy rapid revision. Already they have asked question 2-3 times on this part. So I am going to revise you in a very short time. High yield points for physical pharmacy. Very important points from physical pharmacy. First one is nothing but the craft point. First one is nothing but the craft point. So craft point किसको बोलेंगे? Craft point किसको बोलेंगे? So temperature at which solubility of surfactant is equal to the CMC. Temperature at which solubility of surfactant is equal to CMC. CMC means what? CMC means critical micellar concentration. So basically it is the question from your surface tension interfacial phenomena chapter. So already asked 2-3 times what is meant by craft point. So 2-3 बार ऑलरेडी आ चुका है क्राफ्ट पॉइंट के ऊपर. सो क्राफ्ट पॉइंट क्या है? टेम्परेचर एट विच सोलिबिलिटी ऑफ सर्फेक्टेंट इज इक्वल टू द क्रिटिकल माइसेलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. तो सीएमसी क्या है? व्हाट इज सीएमसी? सीएमसी इज नथिंग बट द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सर्फेक्टेंट इन द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन at the surfactant, concentration of surfactant in a solution at which there is a formation of micelle. There is a formation of micelle or there is a aggregation of surfactant. Surfactant molecule का aggregation होके वहाँ पे micelle बनेगा. The concentration of surfactant at which there is a formation of micelle association of your surfactant, that is critical micellar concentration, and the temperature at which the solubility of surfactant is equal to CMC, that is known as a craft point. Question already 2-3 बार आ चुका है, last year भी आया था. Now what is meant by cloud point? Cloud point is nothing but the temperature above which cloudiness occurs. Cloud point actually it is from phase rule. तो जो आपका वाटर होता है, so वाटर को हीट करने के बाद so it will be evaporated. Okay, so evaporation के बाद में the temperature above which cloudiness occurs, that is nothing but the cloud point. Next one is nothing but the upper consolate temperature, UCT, upper consolate temperature. Okay, what is it? Temperature above which two liquid gets completely miscible. So that is nothing but the upper consolate temperature. So again this definition is from phase rule. So if you have seen the phenol water system in the phase rule, so the proportion of phenol, the relationship of temperature and concentration of phenol on the solubility of phenol in the water, so that is given in the phenol water system. So this system will show you upper consolate temperature, means the temperature above which two liquids get completely miscible. एक टेम्परेचर रहेगा, उसके ऊपर जो है सब दोनों भी ऑल प्रोपोर्शन में वन फेज रहेगा और उसके नीचे टू फेज सिस्टम रहेगा. सो टेम्परेचर अबव विच two liquids get completely miscible means one phase. That is example is phenol water system. So phenol water system will show upper consolate temperature. Now lower consolate temperature, temperature below which two liquids get completely miscible. For example triethylamine water system. Triethylamine water system, ये एक वाटर सिस्टम होता है ट्राइथैलामाइन वाटर सिस्टम. तो इसमें आता है आपको लोअर कंसोलेट टेम्परेचर. तो ये ऐसा टेम्परेचर है कि जिसके नीचे दोनों जो लिक्विड है वो मिसिबल होता है. सो टेम्परेचर बिलो विच टू लिक्विड्स गेट कंप्लीटली मिसिबल, दैट इज अ ट्राइथैलामाइन वाटर सिस्टम. याद रखो, अपर कंसोलेट टेम्परेचर आपको देगा फिनल वाटर सिस्टम, लोअर कंसोलेट टेम्परेचर देगा आपको ट्राइथैलामाइन वाटर सिस्टम. बोथ अपर एंड लोअर कंसोलेट टेम्परेचर, एक सिस्टम ऐसा भी होता है कि जिसमें अपर एंड लोअर कंसोलेट टेम्परेचर दोनों भी मिलता है, दैट इज नोन एज अ निकोटिन वाटर सिस्टम. So in case of nicotine water system, you will get both upper as well as lower consolidate temperature. याद रखो. Syneresis. What is meant by syneresis? So shrinkage of gel by extrusion of liquid. अगर जेल के अंदर का लिक्विड बाहर आता है तो उसकी वजह से वो जेल क्या होता है, श्रिंक होता है, उसको बोलते हैं सिनेरेसिस. सिनेरेसिस. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ड्रेव टेस्ट. इसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. ड्रेव्स टेस्ट इज द टेस्ट टू चेक द इफिशिएंसी ऑफ वेटिंग एजेंट. सो वेटिंग एजेंट का इफिशिएंसी कितना है, टू चेक द इफिशिएंसी ऑफ वेटिंग एजेंट ड्रेव्स टेस्ट इज यूज्ड. क्वेश्चन 2-3 बार इसके ऊपर आ चुका है, क्राफ्ट पॉइंट के ऊपर, ड्रेव्स टेस्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. ओके, सो रिमेंबर ड्रेव्स टेस्ट इज फॉर checking the efficiency of wetting agent. Now what do you mean by pumice? Pumice is nothing but the gas in solid. Pumice is nothing but the gas in solid and foam is nothing but the gas in liquid. तो गैस अगर सॉलिड में है तो उसको pumice बोलेंगे, अगर गैस लिक्विड में है तो उसको foam बोलेंगे. What is meant by bulges? So bulges is a kind of thixotropic behavior. So there are different liquids. Some will show Newtonian fluid, some will show non-Newtonian behavior. So Newtonian fluids will show Newtonian behavior, non-Newtonian fluid will show non-Newtonian behavior. तो उसमें प्लास्टिक फ्लो आता है, शूडो प्लास्टिक फ्लो आता है, डायलेक्ट्रिक आता है, थिक्सोट्रॉपी आती है, नेगेटिव थिक्सोट्रॉपी आती है. ठीक है. सो आउट ऑफ दैट दिस बेंटोनाइट मैग्मा will show bulges. Okay, bentonite magma will show bulges. Then similarly procaine penicillin gel will show spur in the flow properties behavior. Procaine penicillin gel will show spur. Bentonite magma will show bulges in the rheological behavior. I will see the next point, that is nothing but the Schulz-Hardy rule. Schulz-Hardy rule, very important question आ चुका है. Schulz-Hardy rule is nothing but the precipitating power of oppositely charged ion. तो precipitating power जो है of oppositely charged ion, किसको प्रेसिपिटेट करना है, कोलाइड्स को. सो प्रेसिपिटेटिंग पावर ऑफ अपोजिटली चार्ज्ड आयन, सो दैट इज गिवन बाय शुल्ज-हार्डी रूल. इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रखो. नेक्स्ट वन इज नथिंग बट हॉफमिस्टर्स रैंक सीरीज. हॉफमिस्टर्स रैंक सीरीज. सो अगेन प्रेसिपिटेटिंग पावर डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू एबिलिटी टू सेपरेट द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द हॉफमिस्टर रैंक सीरीज. क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर आता है, शुल्ज-हार्डी रूल, हॉफमिस्टर रैंक सीरीज. Next one is the Mark-Aue-Wink equation. Mark-Aue-Wink equation. It is the equation to check the intrinsic viscosity of. Next one is the Fanning equation. Energy loss is due to friction. फ्रिक्शन की वजह से जो एनर्जी लॉस होता है उसके लिए ये इक्वेशन है, Fanning equation. Van der Waals equation is for real gases. Real gases के लिए क्या है, Van der Waals equation. Clausius-Chaperon equation. Clausius-Chaperon equation, that is for heat of vaporization. Important एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Different type of equation and उसका किसके लिए है क्वेश्चन आता है आपको. मैच द फॉलोइंग टाइप पे क्वेश्चन आता है. So they will give you in the one column different kind of equation, they will give you in another column their important characteristic. So remember Mark-Aue-Wink equation for intrinsic viscosity, then Fanning equation for energy losses due to friction, Van der Waals equation real gases, Clausius-Clapeyron equation is for heat of vaporization. Okay, next is nothing but the Darcy's equation. It will give you the filtration rate. So जो theory of filtration है, so rate of filtration is given by Darcy equation. And filtration के basis, filtration factor का basis क्या है, Darcy's theory. Remember Darcy's equation will give you filtration rate, and the theory behind filtration is a Darcy's theory. Instron tester. Instron tester is to check the tackiness and stickiness. Then cryoscopic constant is nothing but the freezing point depression. Freezing point depression of the compound is checked by Beckman apparatus. तो freezing point depression होता है तो वो कैसे चेक करेंगे, Beckman apparatus. Beckman apparatus is used to check the freezing point depression, and freezing point depression क्या है, cryoscopic constant. Then ebullioscopic constant, that is for elevation of boiling point. Graham's law, that is related with the diffusion of gases. Graham's law related with the diffusion of gases. Next one is nothing but the Dalton's law. Dalton's law is nothing but it will give you the total vapor pressure. So total vapor pressure of solvent consists of a summation or addition of individual partial pressure. Okay, so if there is a mixture of two liquids, volatile liquids, then the total vapor pressure of the system is given by vapor pressure of individual component, summation of vapor pressure of individual component. That is a Dalton's law. Another law is the Raoult's law. Raoult's law is for partial vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of solution of two volatile liquids. Okay, so that is nothing but that depends on the partial vapor pressure of individual component and their mole fraction. So that is given by Raoult's law. So पॉजिटिव डिविजन दिखाएगा बेंजीन, नेगेटिव डिविजन दिखाएगा एसीटोन क्लोरोफॉर्म. इसके ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन आता है. पैराक्लोर मीन्स व्हाट? पैराक्लोर मीन्स लिक्विड surface tension. So it is also known as Sergen constant. Rabbit's RBC standardization of electrophoresis cell and zeta meter. So standardization of zeta meter and electrophoresis cell is done by using Rabbit's RBC. So you can order these books, the magic bullet we call them. You can read twice these two books and you can qualify with a very good rank, 100%. So order the magic bullet for GPAT, NIPER, DI, pharmacist exam. Read twice and qualify 100% with very good rank in a very short period. You can contact me on this number. My number will also be available in the description box. You can see we have very much promising results. You also can join our GPAT NIPER 23 online course. Live lectures, recorded lectures, study material, hard copy and online test series will also be there. Thank you very much for watching this.